Eating should be fun, right? But have you ever tried to lose weight, build strong muscles, or just keep the pounds off while still enjoying every meal? It's annoying to keep track of your diet. So what if there was a way to keep track of all your meals without any extra effort? Meet Nutrio. Nutrio is the first smart cutting board that can scan and track anything you eat instantly. You just put it on and boom, you get all the nutritional facts based on its weight, and you can save everything to your food diary in no time. Leveraging its revolutionary high-precision sensors and artificial intelligence, Nutrio can detect every food you can imagine. Nutrio also has integrated barcode recognition, allowing you to track packaged food in an instant. So if you're ever in a hurry, you can quickly scan your snacks, tap to save, and you're good to go. When you're preparing a nice dinner and you need to keep the ingredients such as fish or meat separate from your vegetables, Nutrio comes with interchangeable cutting boards. They're allowing you to prepare, scan, and track different ingredients without delay. To access all that helpful data, just use Aurora Lighthouse. It's the only app you've ever needed to quickly get accurate nutritional information and keep track of your diet. Need to do meal prep? Nutrio allows you to track all your typical kitchen containers, so whether you're preparing meals or just storing ingredients, you're always on top of your diet. Eating healthy and staying in shape was never easier. Thanks to Nutrio, the AI revolution in your kitchen. And now meet its creators.
Hi, my name is Philo.
And I'm Jonathan. We are both engineers and fitness and nutrition coaches, and we developed Aurora Nutrio, the first smart cutting board. As coaches, we are helping our clients to get better every single day. The most complicated part is the nutrition. Nowadays you can track everything automated, like your steps or your heartbeat or your breathing, but you are not able to track your nutrition automatized.
So we decided to create a solution for that problem, and we created Nutrio. It's the first smart cutting board in the world that's able to detect food, get all the nutritional information for you, and track it automatized to your app. You don't have to do anything else.
The last 2 years we developed Aurora Nutrio here in Germany and combined modern technology with AI systems to get you the first truly smart food tracker of the world.
So the technology behind Nutrio is sophisticated modern sensor technology combined with beautiful AI technology to make it automatized for you and to make it as convenient as possible. To make the revolution of food tracking happen and to bring Nutrio to your home, we need your help.
Please support us on Indiegogo and let us help you to reach your personal nutrition goals.
Let's revolutionize nutrition together.